Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing day 5 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. If I could click on it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. Yeah, I've gotten a little bit, I know that I've been saying that, the marathon's been kind of whatever to me, but I think I've gotten a little bit of chills lately. So my eyes are a little bit just like, I don't know, blinking a lot. So if I look a little bit awkward, my apologies. This is how this is what happens when you do these every day, right? Like you're gonna have good days, you got bad days, even if your eyes are whatever. Speaking of good days, though, I guess it's been a couple of days. But people always say, by people I mean me, always say celebrate your victories. I did. This is my first contest that I've done in I don't know, like 3-4 weeks because of the marathon timing and all these things. So I just want to say, hey, look, I got 36, which is pretty okay, even despite like making silly mistakes. So celebrate them. Let's keep going. Today, my eyes. We have 2914 minimum number of changes to make binary string beautiful. Okay, so you have S of an even length. The string is beautiful. Each substring has even length. Each substring contains only ones or zeros. Okay, so one or more substring. What does each substring mean? Partitioning so that, okay. I mean, this is a little bit awkward, but the first thing to notice is that okay. Sorry, I'm reading this a little. This is a very awkward phrasing problem, but in competitive programming, maybe in the reviews not as much. They try to fool you by kind of having these constraints, and then you have to interpret what it means and also how to like the best way to attack this, right? And for this one, even length, the key thing to note is that when you partition this, right, it doesn't actually matter where it doesn't matter how many substrings you're partitioning to, right? And because you don't, then you should for this particular problem, you should assume that you can partition as many substring as you want or as you can, right? Because if it allows you to just minimize the number of changes, remember the substrings don't matter, or how many substrings don't matter, just that the number of changes are minimum. And as a result, then we want as many substrings as possible. The reason being that the more substrings, then the fewer changes that you need, right? And the reason why that is because you can think about like a case where, maybe you can have something like, I don't know, just 001100, right? In this case, is a very easy, obvious case. But in this case, if you partition it this way, then all you have to do is nothing because this is already done. But if you, for whatever reason, you change it so that you have two partition, one of 2 zeros and the other one of 1100, then you have to change something to 00 or 11. So it's all kind of awkward. So now then we can maybe hopefully agree that we can we only need to partition the things into substrings of characters, or if I'm saying I can't even English today. Substrings of characters substrings with 2 characters, or no, just exactly 2 characters. There's no or actually, right? And when you have 2 characters, what does that mean, right? Well, they can either be equal, which means you're done, or they're not equal, which means that you only change one of them. And that's really the way to think about this. And now you can narrow it down, right? So we start at 0, we go to n, we look at every 2. If s sub I is equal to s sub I plus 1, or maybe you could write it the other way around, maybe just if it's not equal to, then we increment count. And that's pretty much it. It looks simple because it is simple. And yeah, let's give it a quick submit. And that's pretty much it. This is going to be linear time constant space because you could see it. I know that this is I don't know, I think the way they phrase it is a little bit awkward. With the same thing during, I don't know if this was during the contest, but either way. But yeah, that's all I have with this one for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I can't stop closing my eyes. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.